Do you want to unlock high-end cinematic commercials with the Google Flow AI Multishot strategy? Instead of burning through your budget on individual shots, this workflow lets you create and animate a full 2x2 storyboard grid in a single generation. It is the ultimate hack to reduce credit usage, save time, and ensure flawless visual consistency across your entire narrative. See how one 10-second generation can tell your story. Let's dive in. Okay, how did we tell that wonderful product story? Okay, this is what I posted on the ChatGPT. I said generate prompt for a 4-panel storyboard arranged in a 2x2 image grid that tells a cinematic story centered around a coffee product packaged in a sachet. Under the heading image prompt, create one detailed image prompt for each of the 4 panels, 4 image prompts in total. Then under the heading animation prompt, create one animation prompt for each corresponding panel. Each animation prompt should describe the character movement, camera movement, product interaction, the cinematic effect, while maintaining smooth visual continuity from one panel to the next. Ensure the coffee sachet remains the central focus and is permanently featured in every panel. The overall story should be visually engaging, cinematic, and suitable for a high-end commercial advertisement. Each image prompt and each animation prompt must consist of exactly 2 sentences. So I don't want more. So I pasted it and this is what it gives to me. So we have the image prompt is 4 panels. So we are doing a 2x2 image grid. You can see now. So we have the animation prompt for each panel in that image prompt. Okay, this is what you copy all this. You copy all the image prompt for the 4 panels that we have here. You go to Google Flow AI. If you want to access Google Flow, you click on Google Flow. This is Google Flow AI. You click on it. Okay, this is it. Then when you do that, you can, at the end of the day, you click on project and you find yourself here. Yeah, when you find yourself here, you have a choice of the image model that you want to use to create your image. And we have in the prompt box here, we have Nano Banana Pro 2, we have Nano Banana 2, we have Nano Banana 2 Lite. So we are using Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro, and it is completely free. And we are going to be using aspect ratio 16:9. So we are going to be generating two images. Yeah, 2 images so that we can choose the best for the product commercial. And the next thing we're going to do is to upload this sachet, the coffee, the sachet coffee. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, let's open it and say this is it. This is the product we are uploading. This is the product, health coffee. Okay, that's it. So we come to this place and when it's uploaded, you see it here. You can see add to prompt. Add to prompt. You click on it, we add to prompt, and it serves as ingredient for the 2x2 image grid we really want to generate. There, I will paste the prompt here. The prompt for the 4 panels. This is it. We have panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, and panel 4, and they have their description. So the next thing is to go and submit and see what it gives to us. Wow, you can see now. You can see this is nice. This is good. Oh, this is nice. This is good. You can see now we have 2 different images now. You can see which one are we going to use. Let's click on this. Let's see if this one is okay. You can see the sachet. You can see the sachet coffee. You can see. Okay, let's look at the second one and see. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, look at this. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, this is great. Okay, which one are we going to use now? Let's use the first one. Okay, so let's delete the second one now. Okay, the next thing is the animation prompt for each panel. All you need to do is to copy, just copy the 4 animation prompt for for the 4 panels that we have in the image grid. Then this is the image. You click on these 3 dots, you click on animation, and you go to video setting, you click on ingredient, because we are not doing from frame to frame. So you click on one generation. So we are not generating 2 videos, it's only one, and we are using VEO 3.1 Lite. Or we can choose to use Omni Flash. We can choose to use Omni Flash. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Okay, let's use Omni Flash. That will be for 10 seconds. So that is that for that. Okay, what do you want to create? So I'm going to paste the animation prompt here for each panel. You know, we have the first panel, the second panel, the third, and the fourth panel. So the next thing is to go ahead and generate. Okay, I think we have it right now. Let's go and see what it gives to us now. Okay, let's click on it now. Wow, this is nice. We just have it, just perfect. 10 seconds. Wow, since you are using Omnify, you can decide to describe your edit. You can describe your edit, and you can also decide to continue. So I think this one is just perfect. You can see we have 4 grids, 4 panel in just one image, instead of us creating individual image and using about 10 credit, 10 credit for each image. It makes it very simple. You can just create a 2x2 image grid for this product story. So this helps you to save your time and also to manage your credit. I hope you've learned something. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I also want you to like and also share. Be the best.